Paula Schaefer is suing her former best friend and roommate, John Thacker, for $1,016 for stealing her personal items.
Ms. Schaefer, you are suing your friend John Thacker for $1,016, the value of some personal property you claim he took from you. Is that right?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Thacker, you're saying you don't owe her anything because you bought those things.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Let me hear the story about your relationship. Why don't you start, Mrs. Schaefer?
Well, we had been friends for 6 years, and we were really close. I mean, we were practically almost inseparable.
Okay, and so then what happened? I want to know, you started living together at some point? How did that come about?
Well, me and Jonathan were so tight, we were so close that we had decided that we would eventually have a child together because he's homosexual, and I feel that no matter the race, you should be able to have no matter your preference, you should be able to have a child. And it was
How old are you?
I'm 21.
21.
We
How
were
old
going to
are
wait
you?
till I was 25 and he was 26. I'm 20. And, well, I ended up getting pregnant before then.
By
And
him?
No.
The guy, your
by somebody
homosexual
else.
friend?
No.
No.
I didn't
No.
think so.
And he was
Did you think how you were going to produce a child if you were homosexual and she was
Yeah,
straight?
we've talked about it.
How were you?
artificial insemination.
Artificial insemination?
Yes.
Yes. When I was 4 or 5 months pregnant, we came to the conclusion, I had asked him, I said, well, since the daddy doesn't want anything to do with my baby, do you want to be there for her and me both, but mainly for her?
Did you consider that, Mr. Thacker, when you,
Yes, ma'am, I sure did.
and what were you thinking and what did you say?
Like, basically, she gave me the last 5 months of her pregnancy to get everything out.
So then he decides that he is going to participate
Well,
in this
yes,
with
he was
you.
at the hospital with, well, on the 21st, after I finally got out of the hospital, I'd moved in. We started moving my things in before that, but I officially moved in with him and started living there on the 21st. And things were really great when we moved in together, but then things really started going downhill. I mean, bad. We were arguing like we were married, though, so.
You were arguing like you were
Yeah,
married. Is
people
that
would-
your version of it too? Was it a bad scene?
Yeah, pretty much. I've tried to explain to her more than once that, you know, where I was working 11 to 7, yeah, I would stay up for 3 or 4 hours to help out with Natalie while she went to sleep or while she did some stuff.
Yeah, so what happened?
Well, the night he told me to get out, he told me that if I didn't have all my stuff packed up and taken downstairs by the next morning, that he was gonna throw it all out in the street through his window and call the police.
Okay, did you take her stuff?
I didn't take her stuff. I took the stuff that she had packed up of mine, like books I had purchased through this book club that I've entered.
Do you think at all about throwing her out and where she
Yes,
would go?
I mean, I feel bad about throwing her and her daughter out, but I just couldn't take it anymore.
I hated acting like his wife/mother. I was supposed to be his best friend, and that's what I wanted to be.
You're here suing for the stuff you say he took from you.
I have a list of stuff. if
He
you'd
says
like
it
to
was
see it.
yours. It was his stuff. Let me see. You have a list. Let me see the list you
Yes,
have.
ma'am. Here,
Pete,
I'm
you
just
want to
gonna
get it for
grab
me,
this.
please? Cleaning supplies. I mean, we have things like, let me
Personal hygiene and cleaning and stuff, kitchen stuff.
personal hygiene, Lysol wipes,
Yes.
body wash, okay, dishes, a bathroom garbage can, spatula set, makeup, eyeshadow. Is that his or yours?
It's mine, but he took it because he could use
that could
it.
be a dispute.
Okay.
And the eyeliner and lip gloss, his or yours?
All that stuff on that list is mine, but he took it because he could use it.
He took it because he could use it.
For one, the only person's makeup I use is my little sister's.
You conjured up this list from your mind.
No, I did not.
Your memory.
Oh, yes, my memory.
Your memory.
Yes,
you
my
remembered
memory.
all of this from your memory.
I'm like an elephant. I remember everything.
No. Okay.
He's such a horrible person that he even slept with for my 18th birthday. He told me for my 18th birthday that he was sleeping with my first love of my life. We weren't dating at the time, but that's was my 18th birthday present from him.
You slept with her boyfriend?
Yes, because I told her straight from the beginning that the guy was gay, and like he called me up one day and we went over to his house and we ended up sleeping together. She done the same to me though. She slept with a guy that I was seeing.
I did not.
I think you both need to figure out some better ways of dealing with your life. I'm going to award you half of what you've requested, and I'm going to award you $500. Judgment for the plaintiff in the amount of $500.